Right, I have come here with no intention of working at all. I have come here with the intention of making you work. Right? So if you don't want to work, leave quietly now. Right? I have some handouts for you. Can I do something which may seem a little bit strange to you? Can I give some to these people here, some to these people here, and ask them to pass them back when they have spare ones, and similarly starting at the back. The result of that will be very interesting sociologically and politically, because it will mean some people won't have any handouts. I've got a solution to that. So if you could. Start from here. So my friend is back. So can you get the right hand and the people right here there to pass forward? Since I'm a teacher with an awful lot of experience, I'm totally incapable of not speaking if I have an audience in front of me. So I'm going to speak. Right? What you're getting is a handout which tells you the exercise we're going to do. You should be divided into 4 large groups. I think you have been, and so we'll do that now. When you've run out, could I be rather schoolmasterish and ask how many people have not got, when they've all run around, have not got a handout? Because what I'll do is merge those without with those who have. Is it really so few? Oh, amazing. We almost got it right. Right. Okay. Can I just quickly count how many there are? Because I've got to get the same number in each group. Raoul, could you make some more? Yes, but I don't know how many. Right. Quickly, the people who haven't got handouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. Plenty of trees left. Well, not many. Okay. Where did they run out here? They ran out. Did you get yours from the front?
Yeah, yes.
Right. And can I? Oh, that's not. I'm not saying anything important.
One must be there and one does.
Did you get yours from the back?
Yeah, one must be at one does for your.
No, please. Please, I know what I'm doing. All right? I want to know whether you got your hand up from the back or from the front.
We haven't gone.
You haven't gone on at all. All right. So they stopped here.
There was one just came.
One from there, otherwise you're there. Who's got that? Go and sit with them. Just you. Okay. The ones coming from the front, did they stop here? You haven't got it, right? Those of you who have them, did they come from the front? Yes. And there's nobody without, right? And yours came from the back. They came from the front. All of them? Did yours come from the front?
One person came and
Wonderful. There is a thing called Sod's Law, which in British English is Sod's Law, but in American English is Murphy's Law, and it says if anything can go wrong, it will. You see, this was a mechanism for dividing you into 4 large groups, but it has been screwed up. All right. Okay. Can I just check how many of you have handouts? You all have. Right, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, all right. Good. In that case, I'm sorry, this is a bit complicated. Can I ask those of you who have not got handouts to join a group that has? All right? Any way you like. The best answer is your answer.
I'm working for the agency, so unethical.
Yeah, I think we all work for translation agency, not
How to make contacts with other agencies which I get to help them. Unless I sign this kind of a document where they want to preserve it.
Then get into 2 steps. You help them sort out the documents, but then they ask you to translate an unrelated document and who does that? We will finish quickly and then we can qualified and experienced. It was 60% of the time.
Now, next stage. Would all of group A do the same? So that you form a big equally with C and with group B. So get together, so you're one group. Stop, 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 stop. Group A, group B, group C, group D. Come on, quick. Flashing light. That's good. But whoever is going to present this, they're going to do so that we have to come out too. Okay? Have you read it? Okay, will do.
It's about you from a business background. You're going to be innovation with you. You go to that meeting or not. So this thing is discussing a little bit through.
So that's the basic.
When you write to interpret, so that means a family member is also a translator or is he communication or is he working in some other capacity?
All right. I'll give you another couple of minutes just to fill the gaps.
We would not.
We should write this.
It's a note.
Take the last one so that
Is a translation use its information?
listen. We agree.
But we agree.
Right, last one. Same one. You are going to the client. You know the client.
Well, you got a couple of minutes, 2 minutes.
Satellite broadcasting in India. We are looking for and also companies manufacturing
Can I stop you? Please stop. Everybody stop.
Let's remember that if you're a policeman, your job is to get convictions. Alright?